By the way po, paano naging seditious yung pagsabi ng BBM resign? Di ba po, freedom of expression lang yon? Wala naman sa ating nagsasabi na seditious yun eh. So, hindi. It's not seditious. Kumbaga, mali yung kabila. Mali yung nagsasabi na ito ay sedition. Unang-una, ang resignation demands a voluntary act on the part of the person that you're talking to. So when you say BBM resign, pag nag-resign siya, hindi yan sa pilitan. Because he has to do that on his own. He cannot be forced to do that. And there is no exhortation of the use of force or any illegal methods. Ganito pag sedition. You're asking a person to be removed from office, or you don't want to implement a law, etc. And you are asking for these things in a manner that is illegal. So pag sinabi mong BBM resign, what is wrong with that statement? Actually, nothing. You have not even indicated the method. So, except the only thing you're asking for is, Mr. President, on your own, ikaw na. Hindi na kami magfa-file ng impeachment. Hindi na kami magfa-file ng mga kaso. Bumaba ka na lang.